Outstanding.
Hello and welcome to another video. In this video we just all focus on bus compression and dancehall vocals. Now here in compression, sometimes it can be very problematic, but if you do in a sense understand what compression is, this video is for you. Now in this song, and select a part of the song, edit window, here is select, where I haven't done any compression so far other than parallel compressing. Now for this one I have two compressors, Waves two-way compressor, as you can hear my dogs outside barking, and the VSC2 from Brainworks. These are the two compressors I'll be using today to do the compression on the bus. Now I like compressors that are easy to use and not really complicated, in which compressors like these tend to be more specific, in which a two-way compressor have variable attack release threshold and ratio times, in which in a VCA style compressor you can set as how you sees it best for you. First we are going to do it on the CLA two-way compressor, and here goes. We go do everything in context. Now I'm going to add a limiter on the two bus so it can be pretty much louder that it's audible to hear. So without further ado, let's begin.
Wines them a pitch, Ginny them with the zig. A stack hollow brain with tips, whole clip them I get all witness dead. Win a business, wrong place, wrong time, should have done a them yard. Light up the place like a big spliff. Bright out, sink ship.
So first more I have to do get the gain level going into the compressor as with the original level that has been there before the compressor. So we just all bypass and pass it so we get, you know, a fair consistent sound.
Wines them a pitch, Ginny them with the zig. A stack hollow brain with tips, whole clip them I get all witness dead. Win a business, wrong place, wrong time, should have done a them yard. Light up the place like a big spliff. Bright out, sink ship, wave it, seasick. Man I vomit up tears when him sick shot, rip skin like pages.
Alright, so there we get a consistent sound through this compressor. And now we go apply compression. As you can hear, the vocal no sound really tight enough, you know, consistent wise with dynamics and also the peaks. So we just all compress until everything sound tighten up and it sound aggressive, because this is an aggressive type vocal. So we go so compress it until we get that sound that we are listening for.
Wines them a pitch, Ginny them with the zig. A stack hollow brain with tips, whole clip them I get all witness dead. Win a business, wrong place, wrong time, should have done a them yard. Light up the place like a big spliff. Bright out, sink ship, wave it, seasick. Man I vomit up tears when him sick shot, rip skin like pages. Wines them a pitch, Ginny.
So we get between 5 and 7 dB of gain reduction. Now we go to use the gain to make up back on that, so we have a consistent sound going through this compressor.
Wines them a pitch, Ginny them with the zig. A stack hollow brain with tips, whole clip them I get all witness dead. Win a business, wrong place, wrong time, should have done a them yard. Light up the place like a big spliff. Bright out, sink ship, wave it, seasick. Man I vomit up tears when him sick shot, rip skin like pages. Wines them a pitch, Ginny them with the zig. A stack hollow brain with tips, whole clip them I get all witness dead. Win a business, wrong place, wrong time, should have done a them yard. Light up the place like a big spliff. Bright out, sink ship, wave it, seasick. Man I vomit up tears when him sick shot, rip skin like pages. Wines them a pitch, Ginny them with the zig. A stack hollow brain with tips, whole clip them I get all witness dead. Win a business, wrong place, wrong time, should have done a them yard. Light up the place like a big spliff. Bright out, sink ship, wave it, seasick. Man I vomit up tears when him sick shot, rip skin like pages. Wines them a pitch, Ginny them with the zig. A stack hollow brain with tips, whole clip.
So as I can hear, it brings up the dynamics of the vocals and keeping the peaks down and giving the vocal a consistent level. Now we're going to do this on a VCS style compressor and see if we can get the same result. So this is what it sounds like without it.
Why is them a pitch Ginny them with the zig?
With it so far.
Why is them a pitch Ginny them with the zig? A stack hollow brain with tips, whole clip them I get all witness.
So make it this bigger so you can really see what really are going. Now I'm going to leave the ratio and the release time as is and the attack time. So we just all compress.
Why is them a pitch Ginny them with the zig? A stack hollow brain with tips, whole clip them I get all witness dead. Win a business, wrong place, wrong time, so that and a them yard. Light up the place like a big spliff. Bright go, sink ship, wave it, seasick. Man I vomit up tears when them see shot, rip skin like pages. Why is them a pitch Ginny them with the zig? A stack hollow brain with tips, whole clip them I get all witness dead. Win a business, wrong place, wrong time, so that and a them yard. Light up the place like a big spliff. Bright go, sink ship, wave it, seasick. Man I vomit up tears when them see shot, rip skin like pages. Why is them a pitch Ginny them with the zig?
So really and truly you want the transient of the sound to go through and compress after that. So it gives a consistent sound even though it's taking down peaks. You don't know, you really need the transient to go through, so you go have the attack time. Like some compressors have different ratios with different as you can see, this is selectable, but as I was saying, some compressors have different values in selecting attack time. So some of them are like 1, 3, 5, 8, and some of them are 1, 3, 10. So it depends on what compressors you like to use on your bus to get that bus compression going. As for the release time, I think the 0.6 release time for this is pretty much quick for this compressor, and it is even faster at 0.3 milliseconds. And with this compressor, it compresses really hard when it's set to 12 o'clock. So while going up there, you know, I have to be gentle with this, and it also have additional control like filtering, so forth. So I'm going to play with the two separate compressors and make you hear the flavor of the sound that is affected the vocal.
Why is them a pitch Ginny them with the zig? A stack hollow brain with tips, whole clip them I get all witness dead. Win a business, wrong place, wrong time, so that and a them yard. Light up the place like a big spliff. Bright go, sink ship, wave it, seasick. Man I vomit up tears when them see shot, rip skin like pages. Why is them a pitch Ginny them with the zig? A stack hollow brain with tips, whole clip them I get all witness dead. Win a business, wrong place.
As I can hear, the tube compressor, that's the two-way compressor, it adds more warmth to the sound to give it more body. And this one, it adds a little bit more sheen, and it has this transparent sound to it. So this two-way compressor color it, give it warmth and that body. And this one, it is more transparent, and it give it a little bit of shimmer at the top. So hope you really get something and understand something from this tutorial, where you can use different compressors to get that sweet compression on the bus that you really need. So thank you again for watching. Hope you really like this video. Hope you consider subscribing, and don't forget to leave some comments below if you have anything to say regarding to this video. So until next time in another video, peace out.